In a rapidly changing world, the landscape of wealth creation is continuously being reshaped. Understanding which industries are thriving can provide not only a roadmap to financial success, but also insights into the future of our global economy. As the world shifts and evolves, new industries rise to prominence, creating unparalleled opportunities for those who are prepared to seize them. In today's video, we're about to uncover 10 industries where wealth is being made right now. This video will reveal why these industries are at the forefront of wealth generation and what makes them ripe for potential investment and involvement. But stay with us, because the most crucial insight, one that could define your financial journey, will be unveiled at the very end. Welcome to Financial Thoughts, your beacon of wisdom and inspiration on the path to becoming a future billionaire. Here, we delve deep into the transformative world of finance, providing you with the knowledge and motivation to navigate your financial future with confidence. If you find value in this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that could shape your journey to extraordinary success. Real estate offers a unique and durable way to build wealth. Unlike other investments that can fluctuate wildly, property tends to grow in value over time. This is because real estate is a physical asset, land and buildings, that generally appreciates as demand increases. There are several ways to make money from real estate. Buying property in areas that are expected to grow can lead to substantial gains in value. Additionally, renting out properties provides a steady stream of income, helping to balance the ups and downs seen in other investments. For those interested in more active involvement, developing real estate projects, such as new residential or commercial buildings, can also be highly profitable. Alternatively, real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning property directly, giving you a share of the profits from a portfolio of real estate assets. These strategies show how real estate can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Technology drives our era forward, creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth building. Investing in leading tech stocks, such as Apple or Nvidia, allows you to benefit from their continual innovation and growth. As these companies push the boundaries of what's possible, their market value often rises, providing significant returns for investors. This investment strategy capitalizes on technology's rapid advancement and scalability. Another promising avenue is investing in early-stage tech startups. Early backers of companies like Google or Facebook have seen extraordinary returns as these startups evolved into industry giants. By providing venture capital to innovative tech ventures, you can position yourself to reap substantial rewards as these companies grow. Similarly, developing your own tech products or services, such as apps or software, offers the potential for high profits and long-term wealth. Additionally, exploring tech-driven solutions in traditional sectors, such as real estate tech platforms or digital assets, presents new wealth-building opportunities. Investing in technology that enhances real estate transactions or acquiring digital assets like websites or virtual real estate in the metaverse can yield significant returns. These approaches demonstrate how integrating technology into various fields not only drives progress, but also offers diverse and promising avenues for financial growth. The financial sector is where strategy meets opportunity, turning capital into a dynamic force for growth. Through mechanisms like banking, investment firms, and hedge funds, finance transforms capital into greater wealth. Institutions in this sector craft complex financial products and strategies designed to leverage existing assets and generate additional returns. Investing in finance offers numerous wealth-building opportunities, from trading in stocks and bonds to participating in private equity or venture capital funds. Investing in finance involves a nuanced understanding of numbers, trends, and market forces. It's akin to a sophisticated dance where skillful navigation of risk and reward can lead to substantial returns. Wealth-building opportunities here include diversifying portfolios with asset classes such as equities, fixed income, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Additionally, engaging in strategic trading, whether through individual stock investments or more advanced techniques like options and futures trading, can offer significant returns. For those looking for more passive income, investing in dividend-paying stocks or bonds can provide a steady cash flow while preserving capital. Healthcare stands as a pillar of societal well-being and economic stability, propelled by an aging global population and rapid advancements in medical science. This sector transcends mere illness treatment, focusing also on enhancing quality of life through innovations in medical services, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and health insurance. Investments in healthcare reflect a commitment to improving lives and extending longevity, with ongoing technological advancements offering fertile ground for growth. There are several avenues for financial gain within healthcare. Investing in pharmaceutical companies and biotech startups presents opportunities through new drug developments and breakthroughs. Healthcare technology, encompassing telemedicine, electronic health records, and wearables, offers promising returns as these innovations reshape patient care. Additionally, medical devices, health insurance, and healthcare real estate provide stable investment options driven by persistent demand and evolving needs. Energy is the lifeblood of the global economy, an essential driver that fuels everything from industrial production to daily living. While traditional sources like oil and gas continue to play a crucial role, the sector is undergoing a transformative shift towards renewable energy and sustainable infrastructure. This evolution reflects a growing commitment to environmental sustainability and cleaner energy sources, creating a wealth of investment opportunities. There are several lucrative avenues for financial gain in the energy sector. Investing in renewable energy technologies, such as solar, wind, and battery storage, offers significant potential as these sources become central to the energy landscape. Companies involved in the development and deployment of these technologies are positioned for growth. Additionally, investing in energy infrastructure, including smart grids and energy storage systems, can provide steady returns as the global demand for efficient and sustainable energy solutions rises. 6. Consumer goods. Meeting diverse needs. The consumer goods sector is vast and varied, encompassing everything from everyday necessities to luxury items. This diversity is its strength, offering stable revenue streams across a broad market. Whether it's food, clothing, electronics, or other products, the demand for consumer goods is both constant and evolving. Companies that innovate and adapt to changing consumer preferences can capture new opportunities and sustain growth. Investment opportunities in this sector are abundant. Investing in established consumer goods companies, which offer stability through established brands and broad market reach, can provide consistent returns. Additionally, focusing on emerging trends, such as sustainable and eco-friendly products or direct-to-consumer brands, can yield high returns as consumer behavior shifts. Companies involved in e-commerce and digital retail are also promising, benefiting from the growing trend towards online shopping and personalized experiences. 7. Entertainment and media, the essence of connection. Entertainment and media tap into a fundamental human need for content and connection. From movies and music to sports, gaming, and digital content platforms, this sector thrives on the ever-changing landscape of human entertainment and information consumption. As media consumption evolves with technological advancements, new opportunities for investment emerge. The rise of streaming services, digital content creators, and interactive entertainment reflects a shift towards more personalized and immersive experiences. This sector offers dynamic growth potential, driven by the relentless human desire for connection and engagement. 8. Manufacturing, crafting the foundations of progress. Manufacturing is often described as the backbone of the global economy, a fundamental sector that transforms raw materials into finished goods. This sector spans a diverse range of products, from automobiles to electronics, playing a crucial role in both everyday life and technological advancement. Investing in manufacturing is investing in the very fabric of economic development. This sector not only supports the creation and sale of essential products, but also drives innovation and efficiency. As technology progresses, manufacturing processes become more sophisticated, leading to increased productivity and new opportunities for growth. 9. Retail and e-commerce. Navigating the new frontiers of shopping. The retail and e-commerce sector has experienced remarkable growth, driven by the rise of online shopping and changing consumer behaviors. This sector encompasses both traditional brick-and-mortar stores and digital marketplaces, offering a wide array of opportunities for investors. The shift towards e-commerce represents a fundamental change in how people shop, driven by convenience and accessibility. This evolution creates high sales potential and numerous investment opportunities, from marketplace platforms and logistics solutions to innovative retail technologies. 10. Telecommunications, connecting the world. Telecommunications is integral to our connected world, providing the infrastructure for communication and data exchange. This sector includes everything from mobile communications and internet services to data solutions and emerging technologies like 5G. The continuous demand for connectivity drives growth in telecommunications, as digital communication becomes an ever more essential part of daily life and business operations. Innovations in this sector enhance the speed and capacity of networks, enabling new possibilities for communication and data transfer. In a world defined by constant change and rapid innovation, the industries we've explored today represent the forefront of wealth creation and economic evolution. From the tangible stability of real estate to the transformative power of technology and the ever-expanding horizons of renewable energy, each sector offers unique opportunities for those willing to understand and engage with their dynamics. As we navigate this shifting landscape, the key to financial success lies in recognizing these emerging trends and positioning ourselves to capitalize on them. If you're inspired by these insights and eager to dive deeper into the transformative world of finance, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Financial Thoughts. By staying connected, you'll continue to receive valuable knowledge and motivation to guide your journey toward extraordinary success. Embrace these opportunities and let your financial evolution begin.